Hi there, this is Jebb Adams, and I'm here with a new addition to the studio household, this Singer 306K. And this machine is beautiful, first of all. That's a wonderful piece of engineering from the time period. A couple of things about this machine are that the machine is powered with a metal cleated web belt, which we'll look at when we get underneath in a minute or two. And the other thing is that it's also a unique size of needle. I believe it's a 206 by 13. Don't quote me on that, but something like that. But nonetheless, apart from that, I don't know a lot about this machine or this model, and I should, because this is my third one. And we'll be talking about the other ones later. So, but very sturdy machine. It was Singer's original zigzag machine. It was called the Singer. The word zigzag had not been coined or termed yet. That marketing genius hadn't come along yet, who figured out the word zigzag. So this was called a swing needle sewing machine, and that's what they were called. One other comment about the cleated web belt is that belt is very much the same what PFAFF sewing machines of the day were using to power their machines as well. Anyway, so I'll get this in a little closer, let you have a, I gotta loosen a couple of these handles so I can turn around here, get you in a little closer. But yeah, it's a bit of a, it's a tan color. Chocolate tan. I don't know if that's a good word to describe it, but that's the word I use. And this one in particular, it's really clean. The paint is good. There is the odd little scratch mark. This machine is dusty. It's been sitting for a while. So the decal may be a little worn on top, and on the side, I think it is faded or worn as well. But apart from that, like the other labeling and that is good on it. And yeah, so I'm going to take the top off. I haven't even looked at this machine. I just got it 3 days ago, and so I'm really happy about it. And but like I said, it is dusty. I bought it from an elderly lady southeast of Ottawa. Her name was PARMEET. So now this sewing machine, its name is PARMEET. That's what I do. I name the sewing machines after the people I buy them from, or whoever the contact person is. There's one screw. And can you see what I'm doing? I really have a habit of doing things without you guys being able to see what I'm doing. There's the other screw. We'll put those over there. Now I want to raise this a little bit. Then aim it down a bit. Get that light away a bit. And let's pull the top off. Nice top, with the chrome. Oh, this is nice cast aluminum, I believe it is. Yeah, it is really in quite good condition. And there it is. I mean, it's kind of a sealed top, but there you can see that webbed belt. Sorry about all the shaking around, you guys. Right there. And as you can see, the machine is dusty. It's even dusty there. It hasn't been greased or oiled in a long time. But it's still smooth. It still rotates smoothly. There's another oil port there. I'll use that as an oil port even though it's for the screw. And so like I say, I'm not particularly familiar with these sewing machines, but I want to be. So this is why I'm here. So there's kind of a top view. And we'll just stop right there for a minute. The light is at the back. There's a cover here. They were able to take the cover off to access for oiling and lubrication greasing. And what else can I tell you? We've talked about the webbing. We've talked about the dust. Oh my goodness. And this seems to be quite clean. It seems to be functioning. When it goes down, it tightens. When we raise it, it loosens. And yeah, I'm really thrilled about this because like I say, I don't know much about it. Okay, let me get a support for that motor and light back there. Whoopsie daisy. And I just want to, well, there's a good position there. Gee whiz, we get a really good view of the metal belt. There's the wires coming out of the connection, the plug connection. The motor is on the back. It's driven by a belt. But this is beautiful, all steel. There's the bobbin. We're going to look at that real soon. Let me get in a better position with this wonderful camera outfit. There, that's as low as we can go. So, but still, again, it's in pretty good shape. I mean, it's been neglected or sitting, and this did come in a case. The case is still in my car, actually, and I need another case like I need a you-know-what, fill in the blank. And but yeah, I'm really pleased about it. I'm not familiar with the bobbins at all, so I know that I think they're an original because of the needle. So there's the bobbin case. And here is the spring. And I'm wondering if that one holds it in position, or maybe this one holds it in position and that one adjusts the spring tension. So that looks like an original one, an original bobbin case. I think that fits an original 206 by 13 needle. I think, but I don't know for sure yet, so I'll have to figure that out. Have to find that out. So that's what we got there. What else can I tell you about it? Not an awful lot. It does have exterior moving parts. Like here we have, let me get a little closer on that for us. There. And then on the back, we also have a moving part that is on the exterior of the, I believe this is to do with the swing needle. Let me back this out so we can see what's going on here. So just that light. Let me borrow this one. But watch this as I rotate the wheel. Whoops, wrong side. Watch that as I rotate the wheel. See, it moves slightly back and forth. And I don't know what that is exactly. I think it's to do with the zigzag feature, but I can't say. If that is the case, I can't say exactly what it does. So, but we can see back here, the light is in great shape. Again, the paint is really good. The decals, they may be worn with a little bit of age, but they're in excellent condition as well, I think. This is a Singer sewing motor made in Elizabethport, New Jersey, and made in USA. And it is, I think it says 0.53 of an amp. There's a scratch mark over there. Something hit it or scratched it. So it's a little bit difficult to tell. But the wiring appears to be in good shape. The belt is dated or just old, but it still feels viable, but we'll have to check that out. So yeah, very interesting machine, and it's going to start me on a new bit of a series, because I have this machine and then I have a black one, and then I have another similar colored one like this. This one is PARMEET. The black one is the French name for Denis, and then the other tan 306K that I have that I bought in Kingston, Ontario, its name is Paige Worthington, because that was the name of the lady I bought it from. What a great name, eh? Anyway, my friends, have a great day. Stay safe. I am self-funded. I'm not supported by anything or anybody, so I don't ask for money, but I do humbly request likes and subscribes if you're able to do that. I wouldn't want you to do anything you're uncomfortable with. I hope you enjoy your time here. I hope you learned something or got something of value. I know this is kind of a light. I do post on Sundays and Wednesdays. I publish, and right now I'm doing a series on Singer 500J, Gina. And so that's continuing on Sundays and Wednesdays, but on Mondays and Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, and Saturdays, I may have optional publishes like this. So I should be able to keep busy this week with some more videos beside the Sunday and Wednesday normal schedule. So yeah, a few videos coming out of Jebb's studio, Jebb Adams' sewing studio. Please like and subscribe, and comment by all means. Tell me about your machines, your sewing machines and sewing issues. I'd love to hear about all that. Ciao.